I was outside inventorying my bulbs that just came from Color Blend. I heard this noise and I went to investigate, and there's this beautiful woodpecker. Uh-oh, there's a squirrel coming. See if I can zoom in here. Oop. It won't focus at that zoom. Look at that guy. We have lots of woodpeckers, but that's a gorgeous one. Nice, bright, vibrant colors, good sized. It's funny, I tried to get a little bit closer and he's camera shy. See him peeking out? He moved it behind the tree. It's not really a tree, it's a stump of a tree. Just trying to get a picture of him, but he's being difficult.